Here is a level 1 type question. We have y squared plus 10y plus 21. We're being asked to factor this. So the first thing we want to do is we want to look and see, well, what kind of trinomial is this? And our first hint is that the a is equal to 1. So we want to ask ourselves, is this an a equals 1 trinomial, or is it a perfect square trinomial? Okay, it's not a perfect square trinomial because the last term is not a perfect square. Okay? If the last term was, then we would have to ask ourselves, is the middle term 2 times the first times the last term, like the square root of the first term and the square root of the last term, but we're not there. Okay, so it's definitely an a equals 1 trinomial, and whenever it's an a equals 1 trinomial, you want to ask yourself, what adds up to give you the middle term and multiplies to give you the last term? Okay, I'm thinking 3 and 7. All right, so then we write y plus 3 times y plus 7, and that's it. So you're just following your identity patterns that you've learned already. Okay, and that's it. So then let's go back to our question and write y plus 3, y plus 7, or y plus 7, y plus 3, doesn't really matter. So here we are. All right, so I'm going to write my answer. Y plus 3 times y plus 7, bracket y plus 7, close bracket. Oh, yeah! Yay! All right, and that's that. Have a good night.